Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this Volvo V40 Cross Country. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's leather interior with heated front seats. You also get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This is a two-owner vehicle that comes with a 1.6 litre diesel engine. This gives you 115 horsepower. The car's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done 30,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.